I'm Amy McCann, and I'm the teacher consultant for students with autism. Special education was something that I knew that I wanted to go into at a young age, particularly being just a teacher and working with young children. And then I was just drawn to helping other students in my classes that were in special education, and I just knew teaching was it. I go from district to district working with teachers and staff and students with autism. Anything from training to implementing evidence-based practices to help children with autism be successful in general education. Every day is a little bit different, but most of the time I go into a school district and I have a set of children that I already work with. So I make my rounds, check in with those teachers, check with the children, see what needs to be done, do some observations, and then get some quick strategies put together, implement those that day. I previously was the ECSE teacher, so I taught a self-contained special education classroom for 3 to 6-year-olds. And I had a student with severe autism. And I worked with him and we got him some schoolisms and we got him some communication, and he went to kindergarten. And the first week they were like, we don't know if he belongs here, we don't know if he belongs here. And I was like, you need to evaluate him in his best way. And he was the second highest kid in his class and is still in general education to this day. Working and living in Northern Michigan, I love the tight-knit community. I have 2 young boys, so up here they like to fish and hunt, and they can be outside all year long. They grow up a little bit slower up here, and I like that.